for another tutorial for Linux for Noobs. This is a simple Fedora setup video. Okay, let's get right into it. Obviously, once you've gone through your BIOS and selected to install Fedora off a USB or CD, you're going to pretty much look like this. Okay, I'm doing it through a sandbox, which is VMware Player, because I already have Windows on my computer, and we are booting up now. Okay, so obviously this is a very core start of the process. We don't need to do anything here, not like backtrack. Obviously the progress loader bar down the bottom is going to tell us how long we have to wait. So this is Fedora 15. You can download all the Linux operating systems from our download page, or operating systems page, which will redirect you to all the official Linux sites where you can download them completely free of charge, as they are all open source. And I hope you guys can check out more pages on our website, simple tutorials, screenshots, things like that, just to help newbies with alternate operating systems other than Mac or Windows. Okay, we're almost done here. And here we go, we're off. Okay, obviously this is a much more friendlier version of Linux than Backtrack or any other sort of command-based Linux operating systems. So this is going to take us straight into a graphical user interface, not command line or bash commands and response. This is going to take us straight to pretty pictures and images to help us control the computer. Rather than us telling the computer what to do, we're going to have so much help from what we call a graphical user interface, a GUI. So we're just going to let this load, and there we are, beautiful. I have to say Fedora is really specifically designed for artists and designers, that sort of artistic creative feel, you can see straight away, rather than Backtrack, which is really for hackers and system administrators. Yeah, so basically very much the same as any other Linux operating system, the GUI. We have applications, places, user, time, sound. Okay, we have accessories there, simple things, text editor, calculator, disk burner, take a screenshot, things like that. Games, simple games, graphics, internet, Firefox is pre-installed, mail and calendar, simple other things, time and date, movie player, system tools, terminal, things like that, and just the universal access. Here's places, which are all the different directories on the computer. You can obviously connect to a server or network through here. Back to applications, in accessories, just going back over these. Yeah, I don't think there's much you need to know there. Sound and video, system tools, yeah, there's nothing much to it. Right there in system tools you're going to see a install to hard drive setting, and that is what you want to click on if you want to permanently install it on your computer. Okay, just let this take its time, and the process should be starting any second. Okay, so first we're going to click our keyboard for the installation. I'm going to click on US International, since it's pretty much universal. Yeah, universal and basically international. Just click on basic storage devices, go next. Here it's examining what we have on our computer. So yes, you're going to click yes, discard any data if you know that you're going to erase your hard drive. Here we're going to pick a computer name, and as I stupidly did here, I included special characters, which really slow down the process. So obviously it's not going to accept spaces or special characters, only numbers and letters. It took me a long time to figure that out. Please don't judge me. Yes, so I ended up just naming it Daniel. You can name it any name you want, just follow the rules of no special characters. Here you're going to find your city, region, and time zone. So I'm in Sydney, Australia. Just click on Sydney, Australia, done for you, and go next. Here is what your root account password is going to be. This is very special. Make sure you do not forget this password, because this is your administrator account. This is your account that will control the entire computer. called the root account. So basically, just choose a password, remember it, go next. Simple. I use a stupid password, don't judge me again. This is a simple tutorial. For you guys, you are going to click use all space rather than replace existing Linux system, because you want to use all the space on your computer. And you're going to click write changes to disk to confirm and to install. I am obviously not going to, because then everything on my computer is lost, as I am not actually going to install this. So I'm just going to exit the installer, but all you need to do is click that and you will start installation straight away. Alright, thank you so much. I am now shutting down the operating system. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful on installing Fedora for on your computer. This has been a tutorial by Daniel for Linux for Noobs, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.